In this video, we are going to take a quick and updated look at sticky key functionality in 3DCoat. What it allows you to do is to press and hold the hotkey of a tool that you want to use in the interim or temporarily. And when you are done using that tool, you release that key to have 3DCoat immediately and instantly return you back to the tool you were previously using. So a good example of that would be when you are painting on a model with the brush tool and suddenly you want to isolate a certain area by applying a freeze mask to it. You could use sticky key for that. I'll go ahead and do it now. Let's say I'm texture painting my model and suddenly I want to use the freeze tool for just a few seconds. So I'll hold down the F key and you'll notice that it immediately switches, but I'm holding the F key down. Okay, so I've masked off this area. I'm going to release the F key and it immediately returns to the brush tool. Okay, and I can undo the freeze selection by hitting Control-D to see the result. Okay, so I'm going to undo a couple times. Now, I'll go ahead and hit Control-D. This time I'm going to try one more thing. Instead of holding down the F key, I can simply hit the F key, just tap it, and it switches to the freeze tool. Easy enough. But instead of having to hold it down the entire time, I have the option to quickly go back by tapping that F key once more. Right? So instead of holding it down, you just tap it again. So you can use it either way. Okay, I'll undo and hit Control-D to deselect. Let's step into the sculpt workspace and see how that might work. So let's say I am sculpting. And I can add a little bit of resolution here. Sculpting in an area. And I want to keep this area masked off. I'll hold down the F key and quickly paint a freeze mask to protect that area and release it. Now I can continue sculpting. I'll come over to this area and I'll do like I did in the paint workspace. I'll just tap the F key this time. Paint the mask. Tap the F key again, and now I can resume sculpting. So again, you can either press and hold or tap the hotkey you want to switch to, tap it a second time, and you go immediately back to the tool you were using previously. This also works great in the sculpt workspace with tools such as the move tool that's assigned to the M key. So yeah, it's great when you are sculpting and you want to quickly use the move tool on the fly, you know, just to tweak some proportions and quickly go back to your clay brush. Okay, or just tap the M key, make your tweak, tap it again, and you're back to sculpting. Okay, and that's going to conclude this look at using sticky keys in 3DCoat. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.